What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $50 an hour. This is a worldwide opportunity. I'm actually going to show you a few different ways here, so what you need to do is stay with me. But first, if you are new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you here on how you can earn up to $50 an hour. I'm actually going to show you a few different ways here, so what you need to do is pay attention and watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. Make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is my IM Tips also. It is related to make money online, internet marketing tips and a lot more. You're going to find a link in the description and at the top here. And if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's get started here to see how we can earn up to $50 an hour with this worldwide opportunity. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the first way I'm going to share with you, I have actually a lot of sites here that I'm going to share, so don't limit yourself that it's only this kind of opportunity here, but basically we're going to focus on teaching and tutoring, which is probably very popular right now. And you can do online tutoring in many different ways actually. So the first site that we are going to have a look at here is tutors.com. You can see it right here, tutors.com. You can see that it says that find the best tutors near you or online. Now basically I'm just going to have a quick overview right here, but we are interested to go to the top right section here where it says tutoring jobs. And if I click here, you can see what do you teach. We find you the tutoring jobs you want. So as I said, don't limit yourself. Many people think that it's only about English teaching, but it's not. It's about math, chemistry and a lot more here also. So you can see here recent tutoring jobs, a lot of people that have applied here. And it's totally free to sign up here. You can set your own prices, schedule and connect with the students you want. So it depends a little bit on your knowledge, of course. So you can see here we have business, computers, English, fine arts, health, home, languages, law, liberal arts, math, music. So as I said, it totally depends. You might be good at playing guitar, for example. If you're really an expert, you can definitely make a good, decent amount of money with teaching that online. So you can see here how much should I charge for tutoring. The average price charged for tutoring is $50 per hour. So tutors typically charged based on their experience and education level. Now we see prices starting at $25 per hour if you're just getting started, to $80 an hour if you are certified expert. So if you are an expert, you can see here that you can definitely earn much more here. So anything is possible, don't limit yourself. But you can see that they are typically around $30 an hour, which is definitely not bad at all. And it can increase to $50 or $60 per hour for advanced subjects such as SAT prep or calculus, for example, as you can see here. So have a look at the details for yourself at tutors.com. Just go to the section where I showed you earlier here, tutoring jobs, and have a look at the details here. Let's move on to something else here, and that is actually verbling.com. So basically what you do here is you learn a language by speaking. And this is a bit different, okay? You can see here you can learn over 50 languages with 7,500 plus teachers on the most advanced language learning platform in the world. So this is definitely a worldwide opportunity, all right? So you can see here, find a teacher, enterprise. If we go down to the bottom here, you can see that there is English tutors, there is Skype tutors, Spanish, French tutors, Japanese, and all kind of tutors. If I just show you here, look, We even have Greek teachers, like I live in Greece, for example, so just gonna show you real quick. You can see that this is definitely a great and worldwide site that you can sign up for here and start teaching your language. Alright, let's move on to another site here, and that is skooli.com, skooli.com. So you can see here that, of course, we are going directly to the section where it says for tutors. It's definitely one of the most popular sites also. You can see here, cash in on your expertise. Our students wants to learn from qualified educators like you. Convert your knowledge into cash and earn extra money in your spare time as a tutor. All you need is your expertise, a device, and a Wi-Fi connection. Of course, you set your own schedule here. So how it works, they do explain it, that it's super easy. They can schedule a session in advance or request instant help if you're online, and tutor students one-on-one from anywhere with an internet connection using your computer. So I hope that you realize that this is definitely a worldwide opportunity. You can do this as long as you have an internet connection, and of course a laptop with a microphone available so you can talk and listen, also speakers. So here are the details if you want to apply as a Skooli teacher. You get approved, you get verified, you get familiar with the Skooli, you set your schedule, and you can start tutoring in 5 easy steps here. So of course you do need to fill in the application here with your knowledge and so on. Have a look at this site. Skooli.com is a great site also. Here's another one, tutorme.com, also very popular site. And they do explain also how this works here. So if I go, you just request, let's say I come in here and I want to learn something, I send a request, I then get a live one-on-one help with someone that's going to help me, and of course I do review at the end there. So they do explain also the benefits of TutorMe, but this is definitely a great and very popular site. You can see it has been seen on Huffington Post, for example, Business Insider, Entrepreneur, and so on there. They have a good reputation, and basically you want to go to the section where it says become a tutor here also. You can see here that they don't pay so much as the previous sites, but you can earn at least $16 per hour plus bonuses, which is not bad at all in my opinion. So a good tip here would be actually to sign up for as many of these sites as possible, so you just don't wait for one site and say that it didn't work for you. What you do is you want to be flexible between these sites so you can have more opportunities and teaching just more than just 1 hour actually. Okay, so go to tutorme.com, the apply section, have a look at the details and sign up there. Here's another one that focuses on teaching English online, and you can see here you can earn up to $22 per hour. You just go to vipkidteachers.com, or you can go to vipkid.com/teach, so you'll learn all the details here. I don't think I'm gonna read through everything here for you, so have a look at it. If you are good at teaching English online, this is definitely a great site to go ahead and sign up and get started to teach. Learntobe.org is another one here. You can see we can help you succeed in school, one-on-one online tutoring, free and low cost, from people who care. Of course, we're interested in the section where it says become a tutor, so you just go here and they do explain all the details also. A really easy way to do it. Okay, you can see math, science, reading. As I said, don't limit. It's not only English, but a lot of things you can work as a tutor. Okay, if you have to fill in, of course, the application, it takes you about 10 to 15 minutes to complete here, and you should be ready to go there. Here is Chegg.com. If I go to the section where it says tutor here, become a tutor, you can have a look at the details also to sign up. This is also one of the most popular sites around actually regarding tutoring. Let's move on to something else here, and we are talking about languages again, different languages. Learn more than just one language, which is another worldwide opportunity. and it's italki.com. italki.com, you can see here, if you go to the section where it says teaching, become a teacher. So if I just go here, it will redirect me to this section here. So what is the application process? They do explain everything. What type of a teacher you are, you do of course need to fill in all these details. So start with your application here on the italki.com, and hopefully you get approved to get started to teach some languages there. Tutor.com, it's not Tutors, it was the first site I shared, but this is straight Tutor.com. You can see here Tutor.com is another site also. You just go to the section here also, of course, to become a tutor. So you can see that here they do explain everything on what is needed. You just have to apply here, of course, also. Alright, and finally I want to give you some ideas here, and if I go to Fiverr, which is a freelance site, well, guess what, you can find tutoring here also. So why not create a profile here and of course be a tutor. And you can see here, if I just type tutor, look at this, I will be a Russian tutor for a Russian lesson on Skype. Let's go see here, what else is there? Spanish conversation tutor. So as I said, you definitely don't have to limit that, it's only about English here. So it can be someone who wants to learn your language. And of course, if you have any knowledge, if you have any knowledge and expertise in something, you should definitely go ahead and apply to teach that. Fiverr.com is one of the freelance sites. Then there is of course Upwork, there is freelance.com. I think that if you are going to those sites, you're going to find tutor people who are teaching there also. So create a profile on those sites too. Create as many as possible actually, because as I said, you're not going to wait for just one site there. Alright, so there you have it on how you can earn $50 an hour with this worldwide opportunity. Now, if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Make sure you hit that notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation there also. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.